Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Happy Thanksgiving to all of those who celebrate in America and around the world. And I also want to thank all of you who actually order your Tesla Model 3 using my link. If you are interested in Tesla Model 3, please use my link. You can get 6 months free supercharging, and I will be in some kind of a sweepstake contest. I don't know, maybe I'll win a bag. Okay guys, today is not the Tesla topic. Today is a Subaru Crosstrek plug-in hybrid, the 2019, coming up, hopefully in 2019 or before. So I got some specs for you, got some numbers. I have to say, I do have an affection for Subaru. Subaru is a very, very good car, very excellent car. They're all are all-wheel drive. They have a very interesting engine system. It's called the Boxer engine. If you know a little bit about cylinders, let's say if you have 6 cylinders or 4 or 8, and usually they go up and down, the Boxer system is go side to side. That's what they call Boxers. They're really good cars. They make good cars. Now they had the Crosstrek hybrid, which did not sell well. I saw it at the car wash, at the car show in New York City a couple times. It really was just very mild hybrid, and the MPG was almost similar to the MPG of the gasoline car, so it was discontinued. It was very underpowered. Anyway, so there's a new Crosstrek coming, a plug-in hybrid. Let me give you the main numbers. So it's a serious parallel plug-in hybrid. It has a 2-liter Boxer engine, like I said, 8.8 kilowatt-hour battery. Now that's not great, but it's a start. It will be in the trunk of the car, which I assume once I see it, it will take some trunk space. It will give you lousy 17 miles, which is 27 kilometers of range, and that is 17 miles in the perfect condition. I wonder how much it will be in the summer. The starting price will be $34,995 with $975 destination charges. However, because of the size of the battery, and because Subaru did not sell even one plug-in hybrid car because they just didn't make them, so they have, if they will produce it and sell it, they have years to make up the 200,000 limit for plug-in hybrid cars. So the federal tax, unless something changed, will be available for them for many years. So you will get up to $4,502 in federal incentives, which will bring the price down to $31,468. It does have a 1,000 pounds towing ability, 148 horsepower, and 134 pound-feet of torque. It will charge the car from 0 to in 2 hours using a 240 charger. So what is going to be the speed, and what is going to be all the other instruments and technology, we don't know. We shall see. But I have to tell you that it is Subarus are great cars. Friends of mine had it. I used to have it way back when I used to live in Israel. So they really make great cars. They're very, very good quality and all that. So it is a start. It's not impressive, but I think they are missing the boat in terms of that niche, because right now the Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is on sale in America. And it is a 5-seater, just like the Subaru and all that. But Subaru has a better name, or name recognition, and I wonder, the Mitsubishi has almost a 30-mile range, and it's been around for many years. It's been around for over 5 years already. It sells very well in Europe and in Japan. But very little here, 300, 400 a month. So I don't know, we shall see. I know that a friend of mine who does own a Subaru is waiting for this one and is gonna get it. People love Subarus. Those who have Subarus for many years. I used to, like me and Ford, the only car I used to drive was Ford for many years. So we'll see what happens. Do you own a Subaru? Do you like it? Is it something that you're gonna consider buying? Let me know in the comments. And very exciting. I hope to see it in the car show in New York City in April, where I go every single year. So let me know your thoughts and your comments and your questions. I have a lot more numbers that I didn't cover. I didn't want to make this long and boring. So if you have any specific question, I'd be happy to answer. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time, and support this channel, please, by becoming a Patreon. And if you are in the market for a Tesla Model 3, please use, or any Tesla for that matter, use my link to get 6 months of free supercharging. Okay guys, see you tomorrow.